Macroeconomics guru and Bitcoin bull Raoul Pal forecasted what the next 12 months have in store for the crypto sector. In an interview with Nathaniel Whitmore, Pal discusses the rise of decentralized finance, or DeFi, and its effect on the market at large. Here is Raoul Pal's explosive 2021 prediction. If you're a subscriber, well, welcome back to Investing Few. But if you're new to this channel and you want to enjoy more of our engaging content, make sure to click that subscribe button and use that trigger finger by smashing the like button. Now, let's get into it. Ethereum, the second largest coin in the crypto industry, has made a major leap forward in price over the course of the last 3 weeks. Since 2021 began, ETH has been surging up strongly, breaching the $1,400 level and reaching a new all-time high. ETH price analysis shows that the coin was trading sideways at the end of 2020, with its price fluctuating between $550 and $750. After being stuck between these two levels for some time, it started seeing strong growth on January 3rd. After reaching $1,330 by January 10th, the coin's price dropped back below $1,000 briefly, but its correction was stopped by a support at $900. Back in December 2020, Ethereum finally started its long-expected shift towards Ethereum 2.0. Phase 0 was completed successfully before that, as the coin's team launched a deposit contract that the community filled with ETH, reaching the necessary amount to start the rest of the process. The shift towards ETH 2.0 officially started on December 1st, 2020, promising a lot for the future of Ethereum, which undoubtedly helped the coin's price to soar. Ethereum's DeFi sector, which originally exploded in 2020, continues to grow without pause in 2021. Only yesterday, the decentralized finance sector hit a new all-time high of its own, reaching $25 billion in total value locked, or TVL. Since then, the coin's price started seeing a correction, while the DeFi TVL dropped by $1 billion, sitting at $24.03 billion. But similar drops have been recorded before, and the TVL will likely recover and continue to grow in days to come. Another major announcement came yesterday from Deribit, which revealed that ETH options open interest also hit an all-time high of $1.8 billion national. According to the exchange, this is around 89% of the total ETH options market. Meanwhile, the confidence in Ethereum 2.0 seems to be growing, as it has only been 7 weeks since the launch of Ethereum 2.0 Beacon Chain, and so far, the mentioned ETH deposit contract has already collected 2.25 million ETH. Not only that, but the number of validators has increased to 66,360 as the coin continues its transition from proof of work to proof of stake. The Ethereum Foundation's researcher, Danny Ryan, also published a new post recently under the title The State of ETH2. In the post, he looked back on all the progress achieved in 2020, but he also let out a few hints for things to come in days to come. Other recent reports have revealed that Ethereum is now processing 28% more transactions than Bitcoin. However, Ethereum also got a new rival in Near Protocol, which was reported to have surged up by 106% as the DeFi sector started to heat up. Of course, the Ethereum price in January 2021 outlook also includes possibilities for the coin's future. Despite ETH struggling to grow and barely reaching a new all-time high, many are optimistic about the cryptocurrency. The first 2.0. Then, there is the surging DeFi sector, which continues to grow, attracting more developers, users, and money. DeFi is still strongest on Ethereum, with most projects currently being developed on the network. Lastly, it is also worth noting that Bitcoin is consolidating with low volatility, which is typically a signal for the beginning of an alt season, as the crypto community has taken to calling it. All of this has led many to give rather positive price predictions for Ethereum, with plenty of claims that the coin's own price surge is long overdue. After all, Bitcoin has more than doubled its own price, and Ethereum usually sees a rally about a month after the world's first cryptocurrency. Some predictions are quite optimistic. One even claims that the ETH price could skyrocket 650% to reach $10,500 in the days to come. Predictions of such a massive value explosion came from Fundstrat Global Advisors' cryptocurrency team, which also noted that Ethereum represents the best risk-to-reward investment play in crypto. On the heels of its all-time high, the price of Ethereum has skyrocketed from $90 to over $1,200 in 1 year. Thus, the break above the $1,450 mark, the all-time high, seems imminent. However, former Goldman Sachs employee Raoul Pal believes the rally won't stop there and has made a highly bullish prediction. In a series of tweets, Paul stated that the fundamentals and growth of Ethereum are the same as Bitcoin 5 years ago. Former Goldman Sachs executive Raoul Pal has revealed that he believes the price of Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, could go to $20,000 this cycle based on Metcalfe's law. The law states that the value of a network is proportional to its size and number of users. Bitcoin has seen similar rise from around $1,000 to $20,000 in the year 2017 bull market. In that sense, when comparing the fundamentals of the cryptocurrencies, Pal believes that ETH looks the same as Bitcoin and can even surpass it in terms of growth in market capitalization and number of active addresses. Real Vision CEO and co-founder Raoul Pal has given his predictions for crypto assets in 2021, including the impact of decentralized finance. Speaking in an interview with Nathaniel Whitmore, Pal, a former Goldman Sachs exec, said DeFi would play into the current market rally for cryptocurrencies. Even though the initial offerings, ICO craze, may have initially undermined trust in the DeFi sector and many projects currently on the market will fail, others will succeed and see major price action in the next altcoin rally, says Pal. Pal explains that ICOs, while troublesome, laid the groundwork for the rise of DeFi products, including tokenization. He continued, saying the industry of DeFi is full of people working hard on getting it right. Revealing parts of his next global macro investor, GMI Research, Raoul Pal said on social media that it's all Metcalfe's law, and that ETH equals BTC, whether investors like it or not. He started pointing towards a model his team created to demonstrate Metcalfe's law on the BTC network using active addresses and the cryptocurrency's price, as well as market capitalization. Pal, who before founding macroeconomic and investment strategy research service Global Macro Investor in 2005, managed a fund for Man GLG and worked at Goldman Sachs, then pointed out Ethereum looks like BTC in its early days based on the growing number of active addresses. Metcalfe's law, it's worth noting, states the effect of a network is proportional to the square of the number of nodes in said network. Pal then added charts showing that Ethereum's growth is very similar to that of BTC and that Metcalfe's law seems to be the key to price for both ETH and BTC. He added, however, that the market capitalization of ETH is growing faster than that of Bitcoin at the same point, based on the first 1 million active users. Pal also touches upon central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, predicting that they will be revolutionary financial instruments in the years to come. Reflecting on the year behind us, the macroeconomics guru highlights the accuracy of stock-to-flow model, which plots the trend of the future price of Bitcoin based on the scarcity of the flagship crypto asset. Based on his predictions and the current price of Ethereum, Pal believes the cryptocurrency could see the exact same price as BTC last cycle, which means it could go to a new all-time high, close to $20,000. Crypto Compare data shows ETH is currently trading at $1,230 and is now close to its previous all-time high of a little over $1,400. Bitcoin, meanwhile, is moving closer to the $40,000 mark at $38,300. The flagship cryptocurrency in 2017 hit its latest all-time high, which was only surpassed this year. Raoul Pal, as covered, said BTC's current bull run is gigantically different than the one seen in 2017, based on the acceleration of the price after the halving and the structure of the market. In November 2020, he said that he had 98% of his net worth in crypto. Whether or not his prediction will come true has yet to be seen. For now, however, Ethereum has clearly outperformed Bitcoin in 2021, and with ETH 2.0 on its way, there's no telling where the coin's potential ends. What can you say about Raoul Pal's 2021 Ethereum prediction? Let us know in the comments section below. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so we can continue giving you the best content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.